what we're going to do today is this kind of wraps up what we did in the previous investigation with finding out if certain lengths of a sides of a triangle are do indeed make a triangle, right? When we did our poly strips. So what we're going to do is we're going to give you guys about 15 minutes to work on this. There's 5 measurements given for 5 triangles, right? So you're going to draw them. Notice how they give you side lengths. They give you angle measurements. So remember, we've already had practice constructing these triangles, right? Right? Yes? All right, so in that drawing column, which is right here, you guys are going to begin constructing those triangles and then tell me in the explanation side if it is, why, and if it isn't, why. Okay? So the back page is a summary. You will leave that, but I want you with your partner to begin working on that. So remember, now what happens if you were to draw a triangle and the sides don't touch? Is that a triangle? No. All right, so remember our little rule we came up with the other day on Friday about, you know, if 2 small sides is equal to or smaller than the large side and what happens when they're bigger. Take that into consideration as well. That will help you. Okay? So with your shoulder partner or on your own, okay, I want you to work on constructing those triangles. That's all that we are going to do right now. Okay, these 5 should take you a good 10, 15 minutes. Okay, so take your time and go ahead and construct them. Any questions on what we're doing? Okay, I'm going to pause and let you guys go ahead and get to work. I saw everybody with at least a few triangles drawn. That's good. So we're going to see if, now, mine's not going to be the greatest here, but it's going to try to match it as best I can. So when you drew a triangle, it could look something like this. Okay. So if you had angle A, and again, if you put it somewhere else, they gave you what? Angle B's measurement, right? So this is my angle B. This was supposed to be 60 degrees, right? Inside AB, if you measured it, was supposed to be 3 centimeters, right? Inside BC was 4 centimeters, right? So did it make a triangle? Okay, so what ended up being angle C's measurement? Blake, what ended up being angle C's measurement? I'm out. You're not. What's angle C's measurement? Shouldn't be 60 if you measure it with a protractor. I mean the angle ruler. What'd you get for angle C?
45 degrees.
Okay, that's pretty close. It's 46, and this should be 74. So if you measure the side length, it's roughly about that much, right? So remember, I'm going to circle. This is what they gave me, right? Now, the 3 things that I circled, is that the same in the book? Yeah. Yeah, so yes. If you had yes, this is congruent, okay, then you were right. And again, the reason they are is because 2 sides match, right? And the 1 angle matches, right? So I'm over here, I'm going to write this, SAS. This stands for side, angle, side. Okay? Those three things are the side, the angle, and the other side. Okay? Now again, your triangle will be going the other way, that's fine. We should have at least the same sides. So now if you drew the second one, I'm just going to try to go the same way here. A, B, C. All right, so they said angle B is 60 degrees. Same thing as before, right? Angle C is 46 degrees. And BC is 4 centimeters. That looks a lot like what? The top one, right? Does it match the book? Is angle C 46 degrees in the book? Is angle B 60 degrees in the book picture? Is BC length 4 centimeters? Yeah, so it's the same. So that's a yes. And again, we're going to write over here ASA. So if this was side, angle, side, what do you think this means? Angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. Okay? So yes, that makes it congruent in the book. So again, if these are 40, this has to be 74, which makes, if these angles are like this, these sides are all congruent to the 3.6, the 3, because they're the same measurements. All right, how many groups got to 3? Number 3. Okay, about half. All right, number 3 says this. All right, so the one side was 3 centimeters, right? AB. So, right? And BC was 4 centimeters, right? So 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters. So, and then angle C was 46. Does this match up at all? No, and if you actually draw this length with that angle, you kind of see that it doesn't touch, right? Right? Because this side's kind of short. But here's the problem. Okay? You have two sides that are the same, right? But you have an angle, but is the angle the same? Angle C? Look at the two previous ones. Is angle C the same as the other two? Yeah, 46, right? That's the same as angle C up here, right? And the one above it. The sides are the same, so how come this doesn't work? Yeah, I mean, you could have drawn this a lot of different ways, but your sides won't add up, so yeah, this is not a congruent triangle. Does not. How many people figured out does not? I'm going to give you this little symbol here, congruent triangle. This little symbol here, it looks like an equal sign with a little curve on it. That's a sign for congruent. So it does not make a congruent triangle. Okay, so we'll stop there. Tomorrow we'll finish at number 4 and finish the rest of this. So you're going to file that under your notes section. Okay, I'm going to pause this. I should say stop this.